Good morning. So last class we discussed about how to find particular integration when q is sin ax or cos ax and x power k. Now in this class we will discuss about particular integration when q of x is equal to e power ax into v, right? So first of all, here write pi particular integration when q of x is equal to e power ax into v. So what is v here? Here v is sin ax or cos ax or x power k. So this is our next method. So e power ax into v. So where v is sin or cos or x power k. Then what is particular integration here? So now the particular integration is write as yp is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. Now here what is q here? Q is e power ax into v. So that's why here we write 1 by f of d into e power ax into v of x, right? Now in this case the particular integration can be write as just we have to replace d with d plus a. So first write e power ax, then replace d with d plus a in f of d. So what is here? Here we get f of d plus a into v. So this is v of x, where v is sin or cos or x power k. Now this is the particular integration when q is e power ax into v. Now we take one problem and solve d square minus 6d plus 13 of y is equal to 8 e power 3x into cos 2x. This is our problem. This is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Now first of all, this is f of d into y is equal to q of x. Then find particular integration and complementary function. So first of all, find complementary function. Now to find complementary function, so first of all, what is given here? Here f of d is d square minus 6d plus 13 and q of x is right as q of x is 8 e power 3x into cos 2x, right? Now to find complementary function, first of all write the auxiliary equation. So what is auxiliary equation here? So the auxiliary equation is right as f of m is equal to 0. Now write what is f of m? Replace d with m in f of d. Here we get m square minus 6m plus 13 is equal to 0. Right? Now to find the roots of this equation by minus b plus or m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is a here? A is 1, b is minus 6 and c is 13. Now substitute that values in this formula. M is equal to, so what is here? My b is minus 6, here also minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square. What is b here? Minus 6. So square 36 minus 4ac. 4 a is 1 and b, c is 13. So what is here? 4ac. 4ac. Right? By 2a. Right? Now here 6 plus or minus, so 36 minus 52. What is 36 minus 52? Here minus 16 by 2. A is 1. Now here minus 16 can be write as 4i. So then here 6 plus or minus 4i by 2. Take 2 common. Finally we get 3 plus or minus 2i. So these are the roots of this equation. So what are the roots here? The roots are complex roots. So if complex roots, then what is the complementary function? So for complex roots, the complementary function can be write as for complex roots. Now here what is a, compare with a plus or minus ib. Here a is 3 and b is 2. That's why here we write the solution is e power ax. So that's why here e power 3x plus c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So this is the complementary function. Now particular integration. So what is a particular integration? So the particular integration is yp is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. Now what is 1 by f of d here? F of d is d square minus 6d minus 13. So right here f of d square minus 6d plus 13 into q. What is q here? Q is right as 8 e power 3x cos 2x. So write q here. Now this form is 1 by f of d into e power ax into v form. So when we get q is e power ax into v, first of all we have to write e power ax first here, then replace d with d plus a in f of d. So this is f of d. Replace d with d plus a. What is a here? 3. So that's why here we have to write d plus 3 whole square minus 6 into d plus 3 plus 13. Right? Into v. What is v here? So v is cos 2x. Right? Now simplify this. So here we get 8 e power 3x. Now this can be write as, so here d square plus 9 plus 6d, here minus 6d minus 18 plus 13 into cos 2x. After simplification we get this one. Now write 8 e power 3x into, right here 6d cancel. So here 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 is 22 minus 18. 22 minus 18 is 4. Right? Into cos 2x. Right? Cancel. So here we get 2 e power 3x into cos 2x. So this is yp. Now after getting yp, therefore the general solution is right as, what is general solution? The general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. The general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Right? What is yc here? The yc is e power 3x e power 3x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is yc plus yp is 2 e power 3x cos 2x. Now this is the solution for this differential equation when q is e power ax into v form. Right? Then for next one, okay, right. The next problem is solve d square plus 1 of y is equal to x square cos hx. This is our problem, right? So what is q here? Q is x square cos hx, but here actually form is e power ax into v form, but we have only x square cos hx. So when we get cos hx or sin hx, first of all we have to convert into exponential form. So after converting to exponential form, what is cos hx here? E power x plus e power minus x by 2. So that's why first find complementary function, after that we can find particular integration, right? So here f of d is right as what is f of d? Here f of d, compare with f of d into y is equal to q. Here f of d is d square plus 1 and q of x is equal to x square cos hx, right? Now the auxiliary equation is right as f of m is equal to 0. Then what is f of m? Here replace d with m in f of d. M square plus 1 is equal to 0. So that's why here write m square is equal to minus 1. Then that implies m is equal to, so here we get plus or minus I. Here plus or minus I, we get complex roots, right? But in complex roots, so then what is solution for complex roots? The compare with a plus or minus ib. Here a is 0 and b is 1. So now the complementary function yc can be right as, so e power ax, a is 0 here, e power 0x into c1 cos bx. What is b here? b is 1. So that's why write c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now here e power 0x clearly 1. Then write yc is simply c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is the complementary function. Now particular integration. So what is particular integration? Now write yp is equal to, so particular integration can be write as 1 by f of d into q. So what is f of d here? d square plus 1 into q. What is q here? q is x square cos hx. Now here cos hx convert into exponential form. So we have to convert into exponential form. So that's why here d square plus 1 x square into, what is cos hx? So cos hx can be right as e power x plus e power minus x by 2, right? Now so yp can be right as, so right here 1 by d is constant, that's why here write now here 1 by d square plus 1 x square e power x plus 1 by d square plus 1 x square e power minus x, right? 1 by d square plus 1 here multiplying plus 1 by d square plus 1 x square e power minus x. Okay. Now this is right as yp is equal to, so take this one pi1 plus this is one as pi2. So after finding pi1 and pi2, substitute in this, we get final particular integration, right? So what is pi1? So here pi1 can be right as, so 1 by d square plus 1 x square into e power x. Now it is also in the form of e power ax into v form. So when we get e power ax into v form, so first we can write e power ax first into, here replace d with d plus a. What is a here? A is 1. So that's why here we write d plus 1 whole square plus 1, so into x square. Now simplifying this, we get e power x into 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 and plus 1 plus 2 into x square. Right, now here it is 1 by f of d into x power k form. So 1 by f of d into x power k, then the denominator f of d can be write as, so in the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d. So that's why to write in the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d, here take 2 common. So that's why here write 1 plus d square plus 2d by 2, so into x square. Right, now here constant e power x by 2 take into numerator 1 plus d square plus 2d by 2 inverse into x square. Right, now write the expansion of 1 plus d inverse expansion. What is 1 plus d inverse expansion? Here 1 plus d inverse expansion is write as e power x by 2 into, what is the expansion? So 1 minus d. What is d here? In place of d here we have d square plus 2d by 2 plus d square plus 2d by 2 whole square and so on, so into x square. Right, now here e power x by 2, after writing expansion of 1 plus d inverse, then multiply x square with each term. Right, so here x square into 1, write x square minus here d square of x square. D square means derivative of x square 2 times. So that's why here one time 2x, then second time we get 2 by 2, so we get minus 1. Next minus 2d by 2, 2 cancel, derivative of x square. What is derivative of x square? 2x plus, now here we get after expansion d power 4 d cube and d square terms. Here we have to take only d square terms. So here we get 4d square by 4. 4d square by 4 is d square. D square of x square is 2. Right, so now we get this one e power x by 2 into x square minus 2x plus 1. This is PI1. Next we can find PI2. So what is PI2? Then take 1 by d square plus 1 x square e power minus x. Now take yp2, that is pi2. So that is right as 1 by d square plus 1 x square into e power minus x. Just same procedure, just but replace d with here d minus 1. So now first of all write e power minus x first, then replace d with d plus a. Here a is minus 1, that's why here write d minus 1 whole square plus 1 into x square. Right, now here e power minus x, simplifying this we get d square minus 2d plus 2 into x square. Right, now here it is 1 by f of d into x power k form, then write f of d in the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d form. So then now take common 2 here, write this can be 1 plus d square minus 2d by 2, so into x square. Now take into numerator, we get e power minus x by 2. Then here 1 plus d square minus 2d by 2 inverse into x square. Okay. Now expansion, 1 plus d inverse expansion. So what is 1 plus d inverse expansion? Same, 1 minus d, 1 minus, what is d here? D square minus 2d by 2 plus d square. D square means in place of d square, d, we have d square minus 2d by 2 whole square plus and so on. So into x square. Now after expansion, multiply x square. So we are multiplying with x square, we get what we get here? Now e power minus x by 2, then multiply x square into 1, here x square minus d square by 2 of x square, 2 times derivative, x square derivative times 2 by 2. So that's why here we get minus 1. So here minus of minus plus 2d by 2, we get d of x square. D of x square is 2x plus here we get d power 4, d cube and d square terms. Just we take only d square terms. So what we get here? 4d square by 4. So 4 cancel, d square by of x square. D square of x square is 2. So yp2 is equal to, now this is right as e power minus x by 2 x square plus 2x plus 1, right? This is yp2. Therefore finally write yp is right as, what is yp? Yp is right as yp1 plus yp2. Then that is what is yp1? Here e power x by 2, e power x by 2 x square minus 2x plus 1, this is yp1, plus yp2 e power minus x by 2 into x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is the particular integration. Now finally write the general solution, y is equal to yc plus yp. So what is general solution? The general solution can be write as y is equal to yc plus yp. Right here what is yc and what is yp? So here yc is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus yp. So this is the yp. Right here e power x by 2 into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus e power minus x by 2 into x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is the final general solution. Thank you. Next class we will discuss about particular integration when q is equal to x power k into v form. Right. Thank you.